Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Myself Meera Panchal and today I am going to teach you a new technique of painting, that is thread painting. Do you know what is this? This is a thread and today we are going to create different patterns with the help of the thread. For that we require art sheets, thread and colors of your choice. Take one art sheet and fold the paper into half. Now dip the thread in your favorite color. And place the thread on paper. Make sure that the end of the thread is little out. Now fold the paper like this. Now place one hand on the folded paper. Press a little and pull the thread. How beautiful it is. Now let's try with more colors. Dear friends, the outcome of these textures look awesome and colorful. I enjoyed a lot while doing this activity. Hope you will also enjoy. We will meet in our new session with some new activity. See you soon. Stay safe and be healthy. Take care. Bye.